Good afternoon, dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Long time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We have completed our first lesson from geography, the Earth in the solar system, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
After that,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
then today I'll start with new lesson from
Good
politics,
afternoon, ma'am.
understanding diversity. Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I start with new lesson from politics, understanding diversity. What is the name of the lesson?
Understanding
Understanding
diversity.
diversity.
Ma'am, just a second.
Sorry.
Ma'am, can you give a second? I just want to take the textbook. I thought it was geography.
Yes, yes, politics. Politics textbook. Politics, understanding diversity. What is the meaning of the word diversity? What is the meaning of the word diversity?
And we don't know, ma'am.
Diversity, word meaning variety or being different.
Okay,
What is the meaning of the word diversity?
being different.
Being different.
Variety or being different. Variety or being different. Okay. Then, before going to teach you or learn what is diversity, I'll give you some questions. Okay, try to find out the answer for all this. Very easy, simple question.
Food is biryani.
Favorite?
Is biryani. Food.
Favorite food is biryani. Right, very good. Then
Or
read it fast, quickly. Only one word answer, right? Favorite festival is Onam. Then,
Hindu.
oh,
And then
yes, okay. Ismail, read your answers, Ismail. Ismail, read your answers fast.
ma'am, I came now. Ma'am, can you tell?
Yes,
Can I
Aaron
tell?
Anthony, read your answers. Aaron Anthony, read your answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Favorite color green.
Color
Favorite
green.
sport football.
Football.
Football. Favorite food biryani.
Favorite food biryani.
Favorite
Tell
festival.
me the name of any other food, dear. Favorite one. Only biryani you like?
Ma'am, beef.
Okay, okay. Then
Favorite festival Christmas.
Christmas.
Language Malayalam.
Language Malayalam. Then Malavika.
Yes, ma'am. My favorite color is violet.
Yes.
My favorite sport is basketball. My favorite food is fried rice.
Yes.
My favorite festival is Vishu.
Yes.
My favorite and my religion is Hindu. And my the language I speak at home is Malayalam.
Then Sian Fatima. Sian,
Yes, ma'am.
read your answer, Sian. Fast.
Ma'am, my favorite color is purple.
Yes.
My
All
favorite,
purple, violet colors. Right. Okay. Then
my favorite badminton. My favorite sport is badminton.
Right. Yes.
My favorite food is chapati and paneer curry.
Chapati and paneer. Are you vegetarian?
No, ma'am.
No. But favorite food is chapati and paneer curry. Right. Very good. Then
My favorite festival is Eid,
yes.
Muslim,
Muslim. Okay.
and
Then
I speak Malayalam.
thank you, dear. My question is, your friends have read some answers, right? I have given a few questions, then your friends have read out all answers. What do you understand from these answers? What do you understand from this answer?
Different people like
Different things.
Sorry?
and different people like different things.
Different people?
Like different things.
Different people like different things. Then any other answers are there?
Everyone is unique.
Sorry? Quickly answer, quickly. I'm waiting for your response. Oh dear children.
Ma'am, all are equal, but they have different likes and
Yes, because
their
you are
behavior.
different from other person, right? You are different
ma'am.
from your friend in terms of religion, your favorite festival, your sport, your food, right? Your color, favorite
Yes,
color,
ma'am.
right? That means each individual is unique but different from others. Clear? Each
Yes, ma'am.
individual is unique but different from others. Each individual is unique but different from others. Right? Just diversity. That means you are different from others. In simple way, we can define, we can say diversity as differences in the way of our life. Clear? Differences in the way of our life. So what is diversity? Diversity means differences in
Difference
the
of
way of our life. Is it
life.
clear? Then what is diversity?
Ma'am,
Unique.
Diversity means differences
Difference.
in the way of our life.
Life.
All individual or each individual is unique, right?
But different from
But are
others.
different from
Others.
we are special, but we are different from others. Then I'll give you one more definition of diversity. You can learn this definition also. What I said, diversity is defined as condition of having many different elements. Diversity is, what is diversity? Diversity is defined as a condition of having many different elements. Condition of having many different elements. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Different elements. Condition of having many different elements is diversity. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, in simple word, we can say diversity means differences in the way of our
Life.
differences in the way of our life. Each individual is unique, but they are different from others in terms of religion, language, food habits, dress code, festivals, etc. Is it clear? The
Yes,
term
ma'am.
diversity is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
It is diversity, right? Then, when we talk about India, the term diversity is very important. It's very important when we talk about India because India is a country of diversities. India is a country of
Diversity.
because in India, people speak different language. People practice and follow different religion. People celebrate different festivals. People have different food habits, different dress code. Right? In each
Yes, ma'am.
state, we can see the differences. Culture is different, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Our culture is different from Tamil people, right?
Others.
Language is different. Food habit is different. Right? Then Kerala and Punjab, differences are there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Mainly differences. Religion difference. Religion, it's different. Language different. Dress code is different. Food habits, festivals, right? It means each, but we are special. We are unique, but different from others.
Others.
So when we talk about India, the word diversity is very important because in India people speak different language, follow and practice different religion, celebrate different festivals. We have different types of food, and dress code. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Diversity
Yes, ma'am.
is it's an understanding and respecting the differences among individuals in society. We know differences are there in our society. We are ready to accept it, right? We are ready to
Yes, ma'am.
understand. We are ready to respect it. Okay. For when we take a classroom, it's an example, right? It's a good example. You have friends, right?
Ma'am.
Your friends belong to different religion, come from different family background. Food habit is different from you. Dress code is different from you sometimes, right? Language.
Yes, ma'am.
But you are thick friends, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Very good. This is diversity. Diversity is there. That means some differences in the way of our life. That doesn't mean we are not friends. That means we are friends, but some differences are there. We are accepting it. We are ready to accept and respect the differences, right? Okay. So for example, you have friend, his religion or her religion is, you are a Hindu, then your friend is a Muslim. Then you are ready to accept her as your friend, right? That child as your friend. You know, there is some differences between you and your friend in terms of religion, food habits, a family background, but you are ready to accept it. You are ready to respect and understand the differences, right? As diversity.
Ma'am.
Then diversity means some differences in the way of our life. Okay. Then I'll give you one more example from your textbook. It is one story is given in your textbook. It's about two children. One is Samir Ek. We can call him Samir Ek, and the second one is Samir Do. Samir 1 and Samir 2. Then they are good friends. Samir Ek or Samir 1, Samir 2, Samir 2. Both are good friends. Clear? Samir Ek and Samir 2 are good friends. But some differences are there between them. What are they? Samir Ek. Samir Ek goes to school. He is a student. He is a Hindu child. He is Hindu. Then he is rich. He is from a rich family. He knows English and Hindi. Clear about
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Samir Ek?
Yes, ma'am.
Samir
ma'am.
Samir too does not go to school. That means he is a newspaper boy selling newspaper in street. Samir Do is a newspaper boy selling newspaper in street. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Samir Do, he's a Muslim. He's from a poor family. He's from a poor family and he knows Hindi only. But they are good friends. Then from the story, what do you understand?
Ma'am,
Anyone? Yes, Sameya.
we can be-
Yes, Sameya. Right.
ma'am, there is no such things as religion. We can like religion. And there's no such things as religion. We can be friends with like our strange, not
Yeah,
stranger.
they are friends beyond the
Yeah.
religion, language and all, right?
It does not matter
That is
about
not
the
a matter
religion.
here, but they are friends, okay. But then, yes, Smriti, unmute your audio. Smriti,
Ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am,
louder.
Ma'am, they don't matter how they are in different cases like religion,
Yes.
then about their family background, but
Yes.
still they accept the reality
Yeah.
and
They are good friends. That religion that doesn't matter there. Then their language doesn't matter, but they are good friends, right? Okay. But there are some differences between those two children, right?
And they are both are different.
Yeah, there are some differences. There are some differences in terms of their language. One knows Hindi and the other one knows Hindi and English.
English.
Then in terms of religion, one is Hindu and the other one is Muslim. Then in terms of wealth, economy, one is poor and the other one is rich. Then chances, resources or wealth. One gets chance to go to school, the other one does not get chance to go to school. Right? One is a
Yes,
student because his parents are rich, they are able to send him to school. Other one, Samir, though, is from a poor family, his parents are not able to send him to school, right? So, some differences are there. In spite of all those differences, they are good friends. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Then, sometimes this differences leads to inequality. Sometimes this differences leads to inequality. Then what is inequality? Some disturbances. What it is?
And there's a
My ear is
vibration sound.
paining. Whose phone is ringing? Vibration sound. Sometimes this differences leads to inequality. What is inequality?
Ma'am, inequality, sometimes all are not being treated equally.
All are not treated equally. That means in a simple sentence, we can say inequality means not equal, right?
Treated equal.
Inequality means not equal.
Equal.
It's not equal. Then how can we define inequality? Simple word meaning is inequality means not equal. Then how can we define it? When a person does not have the resources. Resources here means wealth or some material, right? Does not have wealth and opportunities, chances that are available to other person. Resource and opportunities that are not available to one person or a group of people, but that are available to other person or group of people. Right? That means there is some differences. So, Samir Ek and Samir do have some differences, some many differences. Differences leads to inequality. Here inequality means when a person does not have the resources and opportunities that are available to other people. Some people get more opportunities than other people, right? Some are not getting opportunities, some are not getting resources. Then there is differences between two people. It is called inequality. I don't have, but you have, right? I don't have, but you have. I am rich, you are poor. Some differences are there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It is inequality.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
This difference, these type of differences are called inequality. When a person does not have resources and opportunities, when a person does not have, but other person have it. One does not have, but others have it. Differences are there. One is getting all opportunities, resources, wealth and all, but other person is not getting. There is some difference. It is called inequality. Is it clear?
Yes,
Ma'am.
The word inequality is clear.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone, can you tell me what is inequality?
not equal. Not
equal.
treating some,
Simple word.
not
meaning is-
treating,
Okay.
when a person is not treated
Vrisha, what
equally,
is your
then,
name, dear? Vrisha P. Vibin, right?
ma'am, Vrissa P. Vibin.
Vrisha. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Ma'am, inequality means when a person is when a person is not treated much well than others.
Yes. Then. Good. Then, yes. Yes, Devika.
When a person does not have the resources and opportunities
Yes.
that are available to other persons
Yes.
are called inequality.
Inequality. Okay, good. Ananta Krishna. Ananta Krishnan, right? What is inequality?
Ma'am, the people who
You can explain this term in your own words. What is inequality? Simple word meaning. What is inequality?
Ma'am, when people don't have the resources that other people do.
Sorry? Sorry? Malavika Bini.
Yes, ma'am. When a person does not have the resources and opportunities that are available to other persons.
Other person. Sri Rudra, turn on your video. Ayan, what is Ayan? Define inequality.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when a person is not treated same as
Same as
the other
other
people.
people. Right. Okay. Devganga, what is inequality?
Ma'am, when people, ma'am, it means when someone is treated better than someone else, when they both are not treated equally.
Two people are not treated equally. One is getting more chances, other is no. One is getting, but other one is not getting. Right? I hope you understood the meaning of inequality. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then differences leads to inequality. Then you learn two terms today: diversity and inequality. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't be confused with
Yes,
these two
ma'am.
words. This chapter is a kind of fundamental chapter, like the foundation of all other chapters. So, this the first
Can
chapter
I
in
ask
politics,
you
then
one
you should
thing?
be thorough with this concept diversity and inequality. The next chapter is the
Ma'am.
continuation of this one. Yes.
Ma'am, this is politics.
Yeah, this is politics. First chapter, understanding diversity.
Okay.
Francis, be here. Are you playing? No, okay. But I saw something. Then, Ananta Krishna,
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
what is diversity?
From diversity is that when one person is not is treated equally as the other.
Diversity?
Your diversity.
Yes. Ananta
Ma'am,
Krishnan.
can I say?
Let him complete. You should answer my question. What is diversity? I have explained only two terms today: diversity and inequality. I'll come to you later.
Ma'am, can I say?
Stravana. I'll come. I'll ask you. Listen, Stravana. Stravana, what is diversity?
Ma'am,
Yes.
diversity is defined as the condition of having
Having?
Can I tell, ma'am?
And different
ML.
elements.
Yes, ma'am.
What is diversity? In simple word, you can diversity, right? I have given one
Yes,
definition
ma'am.
here, but one more simple sentence
Ma'am,
I
you
have
gave
written.
two.
Ma'am, can I tell?
One in
ML.
Can I say?
Yeah, ML.
Diversity means condition of having many different elements.
Yes. Then, one more small definition I have
ma'am,
given, right?
each individual is unique but different from others.
Yeah, each individual is unique,
But different from others.
Right, then. Can you explain, Ananta Krishna, diversity? Yes? Differences in the way of our life. Each individual is unique and different from others in terms of religion, language, dress code, food habits, festivals, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you give an example of diversity?
Ma'am, religion.
Religion. Then why India is called, India is known as the country of diversities, right?
Ma'am,
Why?
ma'am,
Why India is
because
called,
many religions
yes.
castes are there in India
Many religions are there, or not only religion, many differences are there, right?
comparing to other countries.
Yeah, what are the differences? Not from
Ma'am,
other
he-
countries. India
ma'am,
itself,
he-
many differences are there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
From state to state, from one state to
One
Other
language.
state.
One language.
why India is a country of diversity, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why we say it? Why India is a
Ma'am,
country of,
because there are many religions,
Yes.
different languages.
yes, in India people speak different language. People follow and practice different religions, celebrate different festivals. We have different food habits, dress code, right? That's why
ma'am.
India is a country of
Diversity.
Diversities.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
What is inequality? When a person does not have resources and opportunities
Activities that are available
that
for
are available to
available
other
for
people are
others.
called
To the other person.
Diversity.
I hope you understood today's class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Learn the two definition, diversity and
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll send you notes today.